So we are in Fresno, California. We just finished installing some new washer bibs in this laundry room. So now you've got the hot and the cold up high. What they had before was they were stubbed out of the wall right down here, straight out and sticking out pretty far. And the homeowner said that it was hitting the back of the washer and they couldn't slide it down into this little recessed area. So we agreed to raise them up, gave them an option of a recessed wall box, and they said no, that would be fine. And so they just decided to go ahead and stub it back out the way that it was. It's got a 2 full-inch drain. We haven't touched that. It's not our pipe. Didn't work on that. We did remove the piping down here, so you had the 290 stubbing out with nipples. So that all came apart. Right now we've got Uponor brass adapters to go from the iron pipe to the plastic. And then, of course, plastic up to Uponor brass 90s. So those are screwed in. That's code, so that's a good installation. And Uponor is the best piping that you can buy. So anyways, that's installed. Water's up back onto the home. Water's back on to the washer and the dryer. I guess they have a hot line that goes to the dryer. We did not touch that side over there. We did not remove the washer. Let me see. This is the washing machine. Yep. We did not remove the dryer. Excuse me, from the place. And so that hose over there was installed by whoever down low. It's like a steam cycle for the dryer. So that, the only thing we took apart was right here. We unscrewed it here and here, and of course here and here. And so you want to monitor this while it's out of the cavity, out of this area. Monitor it, use it, watch it, keep an eye on. Excuse me. A lot of sawdust. There's a keep running your finger around these areas, make sure it stays dry. Same thing here where it connects. Of course, the piping as well, the new piping where it's screwed in. Just keep an eye on it. If you cover it up too quick, you've got no way to monitor it. So I'd leave it open for a little bit, as long as you possibly can. I know it's painful to have your wall torn open, but I like to see these things stay open so you can monitor it and make sure there's no dripping, nothing develops, no weeping, no spraying, nothing. So anyways, that's all tied in. We're going to take a look at a couple other things. Outside of that, this installation is done.